The Renters' Rights Bill has officially passed and is now law. After months of debate, back and forth and uncertainty, it's finally happened, and this legislation is about to reshape the private rental sector as we know it. Hi, I'm Ali and welcome back to Concentric TV, where today we're diving into a special market update. And this month there's only one topic that matters. So what's actually happened? Well, the Renters' Rights Bill has now received royal assent, meaning it's officially the Renters' Rights Act of 2025. Every landlord, agent and investor now needs to start preparing for the biggest legislative shift in decades. However, implementation will be phased in throughout 2025 and into early 2026, with the first stage expected around spring of next year once secondary regulations and court systems are ready. So there's time to prepare, but certainly not time to ignore it. So the headline changes that landlords really need to know. Number one, the end of Section 21 no-fault evictions. Now these will be abolished. All tenancies will fall under Section 8 grounds, meaning you'll need a clear, legitimate reason for possession, like selling, moving back in, or tenant breach, and the right paperwork and evidence to back it up. The second one, all tenancies are to become periodic, which means no more fixed terms. Tenants will be able to give notice at any point after the first 6 weeks, and landlords will have to use formal possession grounds rather than relying on fixed term expiries. The third one, rent increases. The process is changing. Now, rent reviews will still be limited to once per year, but the difference now is that Section 13 notices will become mandatory. This means any rent increase must go through that formal process, and if the tenant challenges it, it can go to a rent tribunal. That could take months to resolve, with no backdating once approved, so timing and paperwork are going to matter more than ever. Number four, tenants' right to request pets. This is a big one. Now, landlords can't unreasonably refuse, though you can ask for pet insurance to protect against damage. And the fifth one, there's going to be a new landlord ombudsman scheme. So every landlord in England will have to be registered with the new landlord ombudsman, which will handle tenant complaints and enforce fair practice standards. It's designed to improve transparency, but also means a new layer of accountability for self-managing landlords. Number six, stronger local authority enforcement. So councils will have more power. This is really important, and larger penalties for breaches around property standards, licensing and unlawful eviction. So what does this mean for landlords and investors? Well, the key message here is simple. Landlords who stay compliant, organised and proactive will adapt just fine. Those who wait until enforcement begins will face delays, disputes or fines they could easily have avoided. Now, the new Act puts far more emphasis on paperwork, notice processes and evidence. So your systems, documentation and tenancy management need to be absolutely watertight. So here at Concentric, we're already preparing for the implementation, reviewing all tenancy templates, rent review procedures and possession processes so that our landlords stay protected and compliant as each phase of the Act is rolled out. We're also offering free tenancy health check and advice sessions, where we'll look at any current compliance gaps, ways to optimise your investment return, and how to ensure your tenancies are in the strongest position possible before the new rules take effect. If you're a landlord or investor and want to make sure you're prepared for the Renters' Rights Act, click the link below to book your free tenancy health check and advice session now. And remember, the Act is now law, so preparation is absolutely everything. Now, I'll keep you updated as soon as the implementation dates and guidance are confirmed. But for now, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.